let's go over the basics of a beneficial ownership information report for U.S. businesses and entities. Before we get started, please give this video a like, press the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can stay in the loop about crucial information that can benefit your business. Now, a BOI report is a document that provides information about the individuals who ultimately own or control a legal entity. The information that must be included in a BOI report varies depending on the type of entity, but it typically includes the name, date of birth, address, and unique identifying number of each beneficial owner. BOI reports must be filed with the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, which is commonly known as FinCEN. Filing must take place by certain types of U.S. businesses and entities, including corporations, limited liability companies, and limited partnerships. The deadline for filing a BOI report depends on when the entity was created or registered. If the entity was created or registered before January 1st, 2024, the deadline is January 1st, 2025. But if the entity was created or registered on or after January 1st, 2024, the deadline is 30 days after the entity is created or registered. The FinCEN BOI reporting requirements are designed to improve transparency in the corporate ownership structure and also to prevent the use of shell companies for illegal purposes, like money laundering and funding terrorism. Here are some of the benefits of why filing a BOI report recently became mandatory for so many entities. A report helps to improve transparency in the corporate ownership structure. It also makes it easier for law enforcement to investigate and prosecute financial crimes. Plus, a BOI report can help to protect businesses from being used for money laundering or terrorist financing. If you are a business that is subject to the FinCEN BOI reporting requirements, you should start preparing now. Otherwise, you could face extremely strict penalties for failing to comply with the regulations. These include civil penalties of up to $500,000 per violation and criminal penalties of up to 20 years in prison. To avoid these harsh consequences and take care of all your BOI report filing needs, please visit legalregistration.com, or you can call our third-party business compliance team for assistance right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think about the regulations for BOI reports? Has the government gone too far, or is it doing the right thing? Leave your comment below and let us know your opinion. Please also don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can keep up with important business registration information.